Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
What a beautiful towel, and they make me happy just to look at them. They are very soft and plush and make the perfect decoration to my bathroom decor. I love the vibrant colors that come across with the flowers, and I love the font that they chose to write the flower names underneath the towels. They're very soft and have wonderful texture. They are incredibly soft on the hands, very absorbent for drying. You couldn't come across a better towel for decoration. They clean up really nice and they look beautiful when they're hung in the bathroom. This towel would be a perfect addition for anyone who loves wildflowers or flowers or nature and like to bring that decoration into their home. They're beautiful towels.
And that's my point of view.